Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Thursday, March 7th, 2019. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. You'll notice here the ES has pulled back another day, reaching new lows, lower highs so far, and new lows on this current pullback. And we've now come right into the middle portion of the pivot range. Again, we've been trending higher since the last week of December. The last week of the year of 2018, and this trend higher, again, every pullback should be defended at the pivot range by bulls unless the trend is breaking, and that would occur at a break of the midpoint. So again, even if we do have a little bit more weakness here, 2750 is still a big time level where bulls will look to defend and keep prices bid. And it's actually this level right here, which is the 4750 level. So basically 4750 is the last major level. We may not even get there. With the way that it's currently shaping up right now, what you're currently seeing is already a failed new low developing. Price drove down into 2761 below the previous session's low. And now price is right back just above the previous session's low, just above it, showing initial signs of rejection. That could be signs of strength likely coming. So again, we'll keep an eye on this right now, but given the strength of the market, this pullback, which has been the biggest pullback we've seen, or one of the biggest we've seen here year to date, which is saying something because it's very tiny, that could still provide a nice buying opportunity on a dip higher unless price fails to hold 27.47. Alright, let's take a look now at the NQ. You'll see here very similar price action, the NQ trending higher, the NQ breaking below the previous session's low and firing off a tail right now, at least in early trading. It hasn't quite gotten back above the previous session's low, but it is approaching it right at this moment. And again, the ability to get back above the previous month's close here would suggest more strength ahead. Failure at that blue dot right there, the previous month's close, would open up again more weakness. But we could drop into the pivot range proper and still see some buying down the road. So again, this market remains bullish. The uptrend remains intact. This is a nice little pullback we've seen here, but with the failed new lows developing, this could provide another bounce opportunity. So we'll see how this continues to play out as price just now pushes back above the previous session's low in the NQ. If we take a look now at crude oil, the previous session we had a nice tail down there. I mentioned to our trading room here that this was a great buying opportunity for perhaps a 4 to 5 handle move higher from the 55.50 level. There could be a move somewhere between 58 and 60 coming. So again, very nice move. We had an early pullback here, which has been quite nice. That's been defended so far in overnight trading, and then recently here in pre-market trading we've blasted off a bit back above or back toward 57. So again, looking to see if price can continue to hold 56.5 with a shot at continuing toward 58 over the next couple of sessions. Alright, lastly, taking a look here at GC. GC, we were looking for a low. We knew more weakness was coming, but we were looking for a solid low. Is this the low? Is this it? You know, this had a really narrow 3-day range right here, and then price breaks through multiple day lows and is now popping back above every single one of those lows. It looks the part. If you look at a 15-minute chart, it looks like great rejection there around 2 a.m. Central. A retest back toward 1285s also defended here recently, just in the recent 15 minutes or so. So I mean, it looks the part. The only thing I'm having trouble with is CVPOC, and so CVPOC is right here. That's value. When price gets around value, it tends to stick. It's stuck on the first day, second day, third day, and now it's stuck on the fourth day. Even if it does look like rejection, price looks stuck right now, kind of like it does here. So is it going to remain stuck, or is this a nice impulse low that will lead to the bounce? We'll see here pretty soon. Again, we got a very narrow range overall, and above the 1295s or so, we'll start opening the thing up to the upside. So let's see, a push above 3-day highs right now would be 1292. So above that zone, 1292, 1293 will open it up to the upside, and that's when you could likely see a move back toward the previous month's close of 1315. So again, we'll see if this is the low. We were also looking for a flush of the 1275s. We haven't quite gotten that yet. So again, that hasn't happened. I'm a little cautious on this potential rejection, but watching it nonetheless. Alright, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the rest of the session. Good luck, trade well, and I'll see you in the trading room.